Yun, so tapos na po yung chips experiment natin. Now we come to a conclusion. So yung tinry po natin for this experiment would be yung Mr. Chips. I think uh, 98 grams yung nakalagay sa bag. Second is yung Chippy, uh, which is 108 grams. Tapos last in this experiment would be yung Tortillos, Granny Goose, 108 grams din po siya. So, una ko pong tinry would be yung Mr. Chips. So, nag-start po tayo with 108 na blood sugar level. After an hour, it went up to 159. Surprisingly, on the second hour, dapat bababa na siya pero tumaas pa po siya. Nag 164 pa. So, hindi ko na lang po pinakita sa video pero nung nag-reading po ako ng blood sugar after on the third hour, tsaka pa lang po siya bumaba po siya ng 115. So, it only means na yung chips po, yung Mr. Chips, it takes more than 2 hours bago po bumaba yung blood spike. Next on the list, si Chippy, old school na chicherya, no? Nag-start po tayo ng blood sugar level at 114. After an hour, it went up to 157. Tapos on the second hour, instead na bumaba, ganoon din po yung epekto niya. So 157 pa rin po on the second hour. Third hour nag blood reading po ulit ako and dun pa lang po siya bumaba. And then last on the list, yung tortillos. I think this is another old school chicheria, no? Yung Granny Goose tortillos. Nag-start po tayo with 121. Ito po malupit. 121. After 1 hour, nag 180. Tapos medyo nakaramdam po ako ng palpitation and to my surprise on the second hour, 225 na po yung blood sugar ko. So, kung nanonood po yung endocrinologist ko today, I'm pretty sure papatayin po ako ng endocrinologist ko. On the third hour, yes, bumaba na po siya pero hindi pa po ganun kababa yung binaba ng blood sugar. So, pag pinlat po natin yung blood spikes, no? Si Mr. Chips, plus 56, second hour po ito, ah. Si Chippy, plus 43. Tapos si Granny Goose, Tortillos, whopping 1 plus 104 units. So yun po, again, wala po ako nire-recommend dun po sa mga chips na yan. As I've mentioned, kung kumakain po kayo nito, pag-isipan nyo pong mabuti. Pero ang recommendation ko po is tanggalin nyo na po ito sa daily meals niyo. Maraming salamat po and see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!